how Meta AI works on WhatsApp. If you want to know how to utilize the various functionality on WhatsApp Meta AI, this video is for you. The Meta AI is a new feature introduced by WhatsApp. To access it, make sure your WhatsApp is up to date, and then on the bottom extreme right you could see this icon. Continue to tap on it. To know how Meta AI works in WhatsApp, you can have a glance of the various functionalities that you can use it on the top. Let's just make a quick prompt in this message box. In this case, we're gonna ask it how Meta AI works in WhatsApp. Then continue to tap on enter. Allow it a bit of moment to finish loading. You will see Meta AI has given us an in-depth explanation of its functionality. You could see that it's automated responses. Meta AI generates instant reply to common customer inquiries, freeing up human support agent. You can also see the chat box support and the various explanation for it: intent detection, contextual understanding, integration with business info, and continuous learning, and the list is endless. So if you want to have an assistant who is on the go to assist you with your conversation on WhatsApp, this is a tool you can't do without. And if you're a business and you have an online presence, particularly a WhatsApp platform, this is a tool you can utilize to get things done within the shortest possible time. If you have any question, you can leave it in the comment section. I'll do my best to attend to you. If you enjoyed this video, consider subscribe and give this video a like. See you in the next video.